Villa Altegg by Urben Seyboth Architekten in Lucerne, Switzerland. The property is located outside the city of Lucerne in a slightly elevated position with a view of Lake Lucerne and the surrounding mountains. The existing building had considerable energy and architectural deficiencies and didn't meet the client's demands, which is why they decided to build a new replacement. The existing basement, including ancillary rooms, was retained and extended to include a garage parking space. The existing garden level was demolished and replaced by a new building. The new and larger garden floor will house the bedrooms, a kitchen and dining area, a spacious living room as well as 2 bathrooms. The living and dining area has an all-round glazed view of the lake and the mountain landscape. The outdoor terrace with its generous canopy and steel supports on the outside, as well as the inner courtyard, give the conversion a pavilion-like character. The restrained interior is characterized by travertine, white plastered surfaces, and bronze oak. A travertine-clad fireplace divides the living and dining room as a central spatial object. Oak as a building material appears on various small components such as furniture, fixtures, cupboard fronts, and railings. In addition to a sustainable building technology concept with heat pumps and a solar system, the design emphasizes the careful selection of materials and their gray energy and transport routes. The basement was retained and merely renovated. The garden level was built in timber construction with local woods.